how to get started on the Threads app by Instagram. Yes, so if you are watching this video right now, you would know that Instagram released a new app, and that app is in sync with already existing Instagram app. So the first thing to do is to update your Instagram app. When you update your Instagram app, check your Instagram to see if go to this tab session and see if you can see threads under settings and privacy. So if you don't see these threads under here, just simply go to your Play Store or your App Store and then you type threads. When you type threads, it's going to load up these options, but make sure you go to threads and Instagram app, this particular one, and you click install. So when you click install, then you go to the app instantly. When you go to the app instantly, you're going to see login with your, login with Instagram, your normal account, and then you will see whether you should import all your previous followers. You click on that import so you can import all your followers from your other account. And when you import all your followers, you choose whether you want to edit a new profile or still continue with the profile from Instagram. You select you want to continue with the profile from Instagram. So you log in and then you continue. It takes you into the app. At this point, it's very easy peasy. At this point, you don't have any followers yet, so you've already sending out your connecting with your followers from the other account. We send out a request to all your previous followers, and now you have 600 characters limit 600 character limit per thread. You can create threads like you usually do. You can upload pictures, you can upload videos. You cannot use hashtag yet. I don't know if they're going to ever put that, but you can use hashtag on this Threads app. You can now on your account, your followers will show, but the people that you're following won't show. People that are following won't show, and these are the replies you've written on other people's handle. These are the threads you've created. To create a thread, okay, now you can follow accounts from Instagram, and you can invite friends. You can set up your notification. You can decide the kind of notifications you can get, your privacy, want it to be a private profile or who can mention you or all of those stuff. You can manage your privacy, your accounts, and stuff. So, and then you can share your profile. You get your thread link. This is how your link is going to appear. threads.net/your username, and then to start threading, you click on this sign beneath here, and then you write your thoughts. You can continue writing more, like you write a thread here, you continue writing another thread here, another thread. Like you have a very long of something to write all the way down. You can do that. So you can these are all the posts that I've liked. These are my notifications, all the activity that's be going on. You find under this love button, all the replies, mentions, all of them. And then you can search for people to follow here, and then this is the home where you can now interact. It's very simple. And then the beautiful thing about the Threads and Instagram app is that now that you have connected them, you can simply move. It's going to appear on your Instagram account, the number, the number. Like now I'm number 2 million. Is it 2 million now? 21 21 million, if this is going back this by this number of person to have installed this app. So if I click on it, it will say view Threads profile. It will straight lead me immediately to my Threads profile. So it's that easy. You can switch. If with this Instagram button at the top here, I can switch back to Instagram. I instantly switch to Threads. I don't have to even like move around on my phone. Those buttons just help me move from Threads to Instagram, back to Instagram, back to Threads, and all of that. And then you can only put one link on the profile, so you can choose which link to put on your profile. Like here, you can edit here your bio. Like now, see, if I click edit now, it's saying import bio from Instagram. So you can choose to import your bio that's already existing on Instagram. Very easy, and you have chance to edit, to put only one link. So choose your most preferred link. You can set up a link tree. If you have plenty links you want people to go to, you can set up a link tree and use a link tree link and put it here. And that's it for how to set up your Threads account and how to get started. If you have any specific question you want clarity about, you can ask me. So like I said, it's very easy. Go to your store, install the app. When you install the app, just log in automatically, because since you're already logged in on your Instagram, your Instagram account will automatically show. You click on it and it takes you straight, and you just import all your followers, import all your information, your bio information from your Instagram account, and then you're in the Threads app. It's that simple.